Good morning. It is now 5:30 a.m. and we're in a hunt for a sunrise. We may not see all the roads of Tenerife, but at least I promise we're gonna see a sunrise or a sunset, and we're in a hunt for that today. It is super windy and I don't know if you can hear me, but we might have achieved the first goal of the day, seeing the sunrise. Look at the colors. We're just gonna wait. We're just going to wait a few more minutes for the sun to come out. And the sun is about to start popping out from the clouds. And I gotta tell you, I think I got the best spot out there. Just look at this. Starting to pop, but I'm going to film it out from the car because it's super windy up here. I gotta tell you, it's a bit windy, but I think we chose the best place possible to film the sunrise. Look at this, it's just magical. Polo is right there, sun is up there, we're above the clouds. Bucket list item, check. Let me know if you guys think that this could ever be better. Oh, just look at it, look at it. We have snow at that. Look at that. Just look at the view. Look at the clouds. It's just magical. I'm just gonna take a second over here and get some of the sun rays on my face before I head back down. And then we're gonna go to goal number 2. We're gonna go see the sunset from the best place possible. So on the way down I noticed this beautiful view right here. Nice rocks, pine trees, it smells nice. And again, ocean, clouds and sun. You probably can't see me, but you can see the sun. And look at that. I think this is turning to be one of the best vacations ever. Polo helps a lot moving around the mountain because it's small, tiny, and even though a little bit underpowered, still great. All right, continuing. First of all, pardon my hairstyle, and second of all, it has been a long time dream of mine to see the sun rise and set in the same day, and Tenerife is a perfect place to do it. But unfortunately, I tried to do it in the last day of my stay, and Mother Nature disagreed with me. So the sky is full of clouds, and I can't really see the sunset. But we had a very nice and beautiful dinner right here in Restaurante de los Abrigos. If you ever come by and you want some fresh fish in Tenerife, give it a try. It really is spectacular. There is a beautiful selection of fresh caught fish and seafood, and you'll never be disappointed. But just like that, this last day of my vacation is done, and so is this video. If you liked it, hit a thumbs up. You know you do want to smash them. And if you like the content, subscribe for a lot more videos to come. See ya!